In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to pair your Firestick remote step by step. Whether you just got a new remote or your old one stopped working, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to get your Firestick remote connected and working again in minutes. Let's get started.
The first fix is to change the batteries. This may sound so simple, but old batteries get drained and they just don't have enough power to perform well. Try changing them out to a fresh set of new batteries. If that doesn't work, let's try this next fix. Press the home button on your remote control for 10 seconds. Make sure that you hold down on it for the full 10 seconds. This helps your remote to get connected back with your Firestick again. Once it's successfully paired, you will get a notification on your TV that looks like this. If that doesn't work, let's go to fix number 3. This would be to pair a new remote. You go into the settings of your Firestick, which you may have to download the Fire TV app to do this with your phone if you don't have a working remote. But go into the settings, go to controllers and Bluetooth devices, Amazon Fire TV remotes, select that, and then go to add new remote. This will start a search for a new one. Hopefully these steps helped you, and if they did, click a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.